6 and 6 cancels out each other, leaving us with 1, and 6 divided by 1 equals 6. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have division and multiplication operator present, and in between we have a fraction present too. So our expression is 6 divided by 1 over 6 times 6. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal priority, but we should work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first. So 6 divided by 1 over 6. To solve the fraction and division, we can use KCF rule: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 6 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication operator. And flip means we flip 1 over 6 as 6 over 1 and times 6 from the original expression. Now we have two multiplication operators present here. We'll just simply go work from left to right. So 6 times 6, that gives us 36. And 36 times 6, that gives us 216, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.